Hello, this is Mr. Hazim Hassan and this is my new video for today. No one can deny the importance of abilities in our life. And most of us are unique because of having different abilities. That ability comes from different situations and it can be divided into different types. Psychological ability, physical ability, sociological ability, mental ability, and so on. My proverb today discusses the ability of people, and it says no man can do more than he can. Or in Arabic, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. It has another meaning in Arabic, which is إذا أردت أن تطاع فأمر بما يستطاع. Or if you want to be obeyed, you must order something that the person whom you obey can do. All what I want you to understand is that abilities are different. Some people have physical ability, and some people have psychological ability, and some people have mental ability and sociological ability. The better your ability is, the more you can do. The less your ability is, the less you can do. So, إذا أردت أن تطاع فأمر بما يستطاع. For example, don't ask a very old man who is very weak to run in a marathon, for example. It will be very hard for him if he doesn't have fitness or capacity to do that. إذا أردت أن تطاع فأمر بما يستطاع. Or لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. That comes in one surah in the Holy Quran, so that no man can do more than he can. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and bye.